Dímelo mi gente, Marcucci here again bringing another video, and today we're going to be talking about Phala Network. This is a coin that one of our subscribers, Dean, thank you so much for always sharing these. I love you, I appreciate you, thank you for always showing me these great coins that I've honestly really never heard of. It's right now at 45 cents. It had a huge run up in 2021, so this coin has been around since 2020. Market cap is 352 million. Volume is extremely, high, 346 million. It is down 60%. So from yesterday. So take that with what you want. It had a huge increase this past 7 days. Like if you see here, I think this is because of the AI agent narrative that they have been talking about it for a while now. Fully diluted valuation is 457 million. Total supply is 1 billion, and circular supply is 772 million. So yeah, I mean, it's up even with the huge drawdown. It's still up 400% all time. And if you see here from the all-time low, it is still up 542%. From the all-time high, which was 4 years ago, it is still down 67%. And when we see market cap, in terms of market cap, it boom shot up. So this is the highest the market cap has ever been, and this is because of the token unlocks. The tokenomics are actually not that bad in my opinion. So staking rewards is 65%. It accounts to that. Team allocation, they only had 6%. Private sale 18%. Testnet 4%, and slot auctions 5%. So really not bad tokenomics in my opinion. And we see here the unlock schedule finishes in 2030, and they kind of release 0.01% of the supply every day. So pretty not that bad. I do love this, so stay tuned until the end of the video to hear my full thoughts. But we're gonna watch two videos that I think are really important. So hit that like, comment, and subscribe if you have not done so already. So let's see what Phala Network is all about.
Our society generates an ever-growing cloud of data. Storing that data securely and processing it efficiently is a serious responsibility. Web 2 tries, but fails, to meet this need with centralized servers in data centers. And this isn't just any data, it's your data. What if you don't want your privacy, data, and access to cloud services at the mercy of Amazon and Google? Well, then you need an upgrade. But adding privacy usually comes at the cost of performance. Not anymore. Built on Polkadot, Phala Network combines the best of Web 2 and Web 3. It gives you the top performance of centralized servers and the trustless privacy of decentralized systems. This blockchain is the first to let you deploy secret-preserving and privacy-protecting smart contracts to a high-performance cloud computing service. Distinguishing itself from other blockchains, Phala actually separates computation from consensus. Computation runs on a global P2P network of thousands of CPU workers inside privacy-protecting secure enclaves. Through Phala's blockchain, gatekeepers trustlessly validate these workers, assign them jobs, and pay them, guaranteeing maximum security and the privacy of your data. With programs executing on secure hardware, Phala can match the execution speed and performance of Amazon and Alibaba Cloud. And since there's no data center to control, no one will deny you access to crucial computing services. Phala Network, the cloud computing protocol where trust meets performance.
Pretty dope, right? Pretty dope, right? The next video is going to be from their CEO, Marvin Tong. They did a benchmark recently for their GPU TE or TEE. And it's pretty interesting. So let's watch that one.
Hey fam, Marvin Tong here, CEO of Phala Network. We're on the brink of a new era where AI isn't just controlled by a few giants. AI must belong to all of us. Today, we're about to crack open the next chapter of that journey. By fusing trusted execution environments, TEs, with the raw power of GPUs, we've created the foundation for decentralized, verifiable, and confidential AI. This isn't just about making AI more secure. It's about enabling AI that no one, not even the biggest corporations, can control or censor.
I'm Hang, CTO of Phala Network. Let's get into it. For the longest time, TEs have been doing an awesome job protecting CPUs, keeping your data safe. But what about AI? AI needs GPUs, and that's where things have lagged until now. With Phala, we've extended TE protection to GPUs. And guess what? That's huge because these GPUs are the lifeblood of AI. We're talking NVIDIA H100 and H200 combined with our cutting-edge TE tech, encrypting data at the hardware level. These GPUs are beasts, encrypting every piece of data they touch. Only authorized computations can access this data. In a decentralized world, that level of protection is critical. Your AI models and data stay private and tamper-proof, no matter where they're running. Security is no longer a barrier, it's the enabler of a decentralized AI future.
Let's talk performance. We just threw some of the most popular AI models, Llama 3, Phi, you name it, onto the NVIDIA H100, and guess what? With all these security layers, the impact on performance is minimal. We're talking less than 10% for language models and less than 5% for longer tasks. So, you get bulletproof security without sacrificing speed. Real talk, this is a game changer for the AI scene.
For compute-heavy tasks, we're seeing overheads as low as 0.5%. Yep, you heard that right, security without slowing you down. Imagine using decentralized AI to train and deploy models in real time with almost zero compromise on performance. That's the power we're putting into your hands. With Phala's T-enabled GPUs, the game is officially changed. Now anyone can build and run AI models in a secure, decentralized way. It's about democratizing AI and breaking free from centralized control.
And we're already rolling. Just 2 weeks ago, we launched Phala's Llama 3.1T model into Morpheus AI, a smart agent protocol that's connecting LLMs, AI agents, wallets, dApps, and smart contracts. It's here, it's live, and it's about to unlock Web3's full potential. Think verifiable AI models, protected intellectual property, and community-driven attestations, all in one. Phala's TML is paving the way for secure, multi-party collaboration in AI.
Now's the time. Join the revolution. We're not waiting for permission to shape the future of AI.
So pretty dope. I'm gonna like this because it was actually pretty interesting. So what do you think about that? Let me know in the comment section what you think about those videos about Phala. Sorry. Anyways, let's look on chain and kind of what the holders are. So they have 23,000 holders on Ethereum or Etherscan. Sorry. They also have, if you combine the PHA token across Phala, Kala, and Ethereum, they have approximately 54,000 holders, which is pretty good. If we look at the decentralization score, it is 41%. It was actually 42. I don't know how it literally just went down, but it was 41. So here and there. They have a hidden owner and functions can suspend trading. So let's take a look at this. Obviously, always, like I always say in every video, please look at the contract and look at the smart contract and everything. So they have a hidden owner, so the token has a hidden address owner. And the top 10 holders hold 86% of the supply. Not really surprising since the number one holder, I'm assuming this is for the staking rewards. So not pretty surprising, but always, like I said, read the contract. This is a document, I'll leave down the description down below, but it's a 2024 year review. They just dropped it today or today or yesterday, or I don't know, they just dropped it. Anyways, they have some really valuable information which I really enjoyed reading, so I'm not gonna read over it because it is a lot. I will say though, you need developers, and I could not find how many developers they had. I just found their LinkedIn and they said they have 11 to 50 employees. So not that many developers developing here from what I could find. So I'm not gonna say maybe they have some, developers that they work outside or they're just contractors. So they do have 131,000 followers on Twitter. So I'm surprised I actually hadn't heard of this. And they tweet often. So 24. So they tweet and retweet. So I always like when, they're always constantly in communication with everyone. So they also have a really good ecosystem. Base is in their ecosystem. There was another one. Sorry, Forecaster, Hyperbolic, IONet. There was another big one. Polkadot, Polygon, the Graph. So they actually work with a lot of people, and I think that's pretty good. And last but not least, Masari. They actually have, a lot of things that this is their Q3 report. I'm assuming Q4 will come, sometime next year, obviously. But what interested me is this. So monthly active users dipped a little bit quarter over quarter. So 5% from the peak in March, which is not really surprising. I'm assuming in December is going to peak back up. So not really scared about that. They also have partnerships with all these other companies that we just saw. I'm not going to go over it, but I'm just going to go to the conclusion, which is kind of what my thoughts are too. I know it's shocking. But some key metrics were down. So it says, well, some key metrics such as operator rewards, monthly active users, and contract execution saw slight declines. Other network demonstrated growth. So that included contract deployment, worker numbers, and delegator counts. So it's really hard to say kind of where this is going to go, especially since it's kind of an older coin. But, they have everything kind of going for them. So they have like the AI and big data, distributed computing, privacy, and DeepIn, the generative AI. So they literally have every single, like keyword or like buzzword. The only thing for me is, the chart doesn't look great, but people are still buying. And we saw how, XRP and all these other coins just randomly blew up. So I don't know. I think, if you use it and if you like it, if you enjoy it, obviously like look at the AI agents, kind of use them and see if you like them. And that's always my thesis when investing. Like, obviously first use a network or first use the blockchain or whatever, and if you like it, enjoy it, then go ahead and invest in it. Me personally, I'm not investing in them, but it's something I will keep on my watch list. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Please, as always, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.